for folks out there that don't know, Interplay, they have very impressive, in my view, graphics, virtual. It's really cool, actually. A lot of it's done in 3D, where you can see things that you wouldn't normally see, and it presents skilled trades training in. How many different skilled trade venues do you work in? I know plumbing, obviously. What other ones do you do?
And we have electric and HVAC, and then we have a couple different use cases that we sell to different verticals, if you want to use that terminology. So we have multifamily purchases from us. We have a lot of facilities maintenance companies and facilities maintenance contractors that purchase from us, as education purchases from us. So, and they're across all the blankets, right? Because it depends what the discipline is for the educator. And obviously HVAC and plumbing. And HVAC is where they kind of got their start. That's where they have the largest catalog for now.
Yeah, no kidding. So how's it going in the training market? Like, one of the fights that I think you and I have both been fighting is to get the word out, what I'm calling rebalancing the narrative about skilled trades. Mm-hmm. And what's the trending? I mean, is there renewed interest in skilled trades training? What are you seeing out there as far as just the general consensus about awareness about skilled trades these days?
We play really well in the recruiting and onboarding space, and the primary reason for that is because the Gen Zs and the 17 to 25-year-olds that you're going to recruit for doing in the skilled trades. The majority of them, anyhow, they're already gamers, right? They're very intuitive with computer work, and they lack the skill set to sit in front of somebody and be lectured. They don't want to hear that. It's too slow. It's not engaging enough. So having this type of platform is very encouraging for them to want to keep going, right? So once you get them on the hook, and then using it in the right method and proving to them the people coming in, proving to them that this is an actual career path, and here's how you're going to learn, and here's the trajectory, here's what you're going to earn at this point, here's what you're going to earn at that point, and here's how you're going to earn that because you're going to have the training that we're going to provide for you, et cetera, et cetera. It creates this environment, if you will, to want to get people recruited and certainly retention. Mm-hmm.
What's the trend looking like, Ken, as far as are we still banging our heads against the wall, or are you seeing the trending that there's renewed interest in trades? What's it looking like from your perspective?
I wouldn't necessarily say there's renewed interest. I think we're still at the very beginning of the hill, if you want to use that terminology, and that's everybody. That's not just Interplay. Every contractor I talk to has the same woe. If I only had, and the end of the sentence is we're skilled people, right? I think one thing I can vouch for, and this doesn't matter if you're residential or commercial, in any of the skills, they've given up on hiring and finding the skilled person. They're going in the mode of, if I want to keep this business growing and I want to have growth within the business and do it at scale, I'm going to have to figure out another way. And one of the ways that has really gotten some traction that we've seen, and I've seen with my own eyes, is that people are putting in their own training facilities. They're using our content as a supplement or the backbone of it, and then doing the training on hands before they put somebody in the truck in the field. It's a little different because of the regulations and legislation and plumbing and licensure compared to HVAC, but it still is all applicable. Mm-hmm. So to answer your question, it's happening a little faster because of the engagement of the type of training.